So the next thing we're going to try and do is get the Aero catches fitted. I can't lie, I am myself, but yeah, I don't think it'll be too bad. All I've got to do is I'm gonna use these existing holes here to have the rods come out of. Obviously they won't come out the whole way. I'm gonna drill a hole into this so it sinks further in, and then chances are the catches will probably be around here, I think, ish. I don't know. But yeah, I've just went and picked up a Dremel and some discs for it, so let's get started.
Come and try, give them a little update.
I've currently drilled 4 massive holes in the bonnet, so there's now no return at all. I'm just wanting to get the pins lined up so I can then start to make a template to go around it.
How are they looking?
To start cutting it. It looks alright, to be fair.
Oh yeah, they are pretty lined up. So they're all in now. The 2 catches.
Yeah, they're still in quite loose at the moment, but that's just to allow for movement. So we've now got both sides masked up. The best way we found to do it was to basically hold the brackets up like this and have that centre lined up with the pin. Measure from this corner to this edge, and this, I can't even see it, this back corner to this edge, and then match it on the other side so you know that both catches are lined up the same. But yeah, now we've got the stencil for it, so gonna start cutting.
Update.
Bang bang, skeet skeet, cut big hole.
So bang bang, skeet skeet.
Yeah, we was just gonna do a rough outline. Well, not a rough outline, but we was just gonna outline it at the bottom of this. But then we thought, well, we need a flat surface for the plate, so kind of just said, screw it. We'll cut a nice, clean, square hole for it to sit flat on it, and then yeah. Then just got to do it again on the other side. I haven't even started that side yet. So we now got one of the catches fully on. This one is now on. Push it down slightly. Push it in, unlock, and she's up. I've had to, obviously we cut out that plate in here. I will tidy that up, but I kind of want to focus on getting this other side done now. I've already started, but yeah. Just got to get that side done. This side, this one, probably took me 2.5-3 hours. Purely just for the fact of trying to grind bits away to make it fit properly and drilling the holes, and obviously cutting the big bit underneath the bonnet to enable the plate to go underneath. Yeah, we'll get cracking with the other side now. So once you've got your main hole drilled for this and for underneath there, I will clean that up. It's just obviously for now to mock it all up. Obviously slide your aero catch in, and then with a like a Sharpie or a pen or a pencil, whatever you can see best, just go around these holes here just to outline them, which you can see there, and they are a 4mm drill bit for the holes. So the bonnet catches are all done. They weren't too bad of a job, I suppose. It's just very fiddly and a constant of adjusting it and making sure the pins line up and everything like that. But yeah, say they're all in, and that one, you can probably tell this is the first one I cut. This is the second one I cut, because not as much has been cut off, but it's under the bonnet anyway, so you won't see it. But what I'm going to do is get a touch-up pen and go over the edges and the little bits that have caught it with the angle grinder, just so it looks a little bit cleaner. But yeah, one last thing I am going to do, which I'll probably do off camera because it's only a case of 2 screws, but I bought a fire extinguisher to put in here, which is going to go right there along the front. I was going to put it along the front of the passenger seat on the seat base, but I can't really be bothered to be making brackets and stuff like that. At least then when it's in the middle there, I can literally just reach behind me, latch it up and put the fire out. But touch wood, won't ever have to, but more of a safety reason for the fact of how much I've done to this car now. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Yeah, there's a look at the latches when the bonnet is up. And when the bonnet is down. Don't look too bad. It's hard to tell at the moment, obviously, because the bonnet's covered in dust and everything like that from where I've been drilling. But yeah, at least that's all sorted now. That's a big part that I wanted to get done. Maybe it took me a lot longer than expected, but first time doing it, so can't expect too much. But yeah, this weather is awful. Apparently we're having like a red alert or something. There's about 25 centimetres of rain, but God knows. I hope not. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button, and yeah, stick around for the next video. See you next time.